What's up guys, my name is Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and today I'll be showing you how to create effect presets so you can quickly apply effects that you've set up and you use pretty often to video or audio. So I usually add 2 compressors to my voice stream for videos that I'm creating. I'm about to edit one here, so I'll go ahead and add them as usual. Once I've added both of them, I'll go in and change the settings to match what I like, and then once I've done that, there's a really simple way to save this. Simply click on one of the effects that you've added and hold Ctrl, and then click on the rest of the effects titles like this. Once you have all of them selected, let go of Ctrl, right click on one of them, save preset, and then give it a name. I'll name it Techno Mic, leave the type as scale. Unless you have keyframes on the effects over here, you can also set a description if you'd like. Hit OK, and you won't see anything change. However, if I were to delete these effects off of my track and head down to the effects window over here, presets, you can see that there's a new option at the top called Techno Mic, the one that we just created. Let's simply drag and drop that onto our audio track or the effect controls window up here once we have the track selected. And boom, there are the 2 compressors that I saved with all of my settings inside of them. So super simple, really easy to get around, and this works for both video and audio effects. Makes life a hell of a lot easier. Thank you guys for watching. My name's been Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.